I, Shraddha ma'am, once again welcome you to our new session. Let us start our session with the prayer. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. Do you remember what did we do in our last session? हमने कौन-कौन से alphabets किए थे बच्चों? We learned letter M, N, O and P. Let us revise them and our new alphabets today. Which letter is this everyone? This is letter M. And what is the sound of letter M? M says M says M, monster, mouse, monster, mouse. And after the letter M, we learned letter N yesterday. That is, N says night and nose. Night and nose. Okay, what comes after letter N, children? Yes, it is letter O. And O is a vowel. O says O also and O also. Open. हमने open मतलब क्या बोला था? जैसे हम door close और open करते हैं. Open मतलब खोलना. हम box खोलते हैं, हम door खोलते हैं. Then next is octopus. Octopus is a sea creature, as I told you yesterday. And this is an owl. So what is the sound of O? We have two sounds of O. O and O. O and O. Okay, moving on to our next alphabet, children, is letter P. आपको याद है हमने लास्ट लेसन में क्या सीखा था? ये बड़े भैया P है और ये छोटे भैया P है. ये चिंकू और ये मिंकू. Okay, let us see what is the sound of letter P. P says P. P says P. Pan. Where do you see the pan, children? We see the pan in the kitchen. Mama cooks food in the kitchen and Mama uses pan in the kitchen. This is the picture of picture. ये क्या है? Picture. 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 And this is the pig. Pig. Pig is a farm animal. Pig is a farm animal. Now, our today's alphabet is letter Q. What is the first two alphabets? Q and R. So what is the sound of Q, children? Q says quack. Q says quack. Quack quack. Queen. Have you all seen Queen? Reality में तो हमने Queen नहीं देखी होगी, but you have seen the Queen in the movie or in the cartoon. Quack quack Queen. Quack quack Queen. Quack quack water. Quack quack water. Quack quack Queen. Quack quack water. This is the capital letter Q and this is the small letter Q. And what comes after Q? Yes, it is letter R. And what is the sound R makes? It says R. It says R. Rock. Rock मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? बड़ा सा पत्थर होता है. This is a rock. Rock. Run. What is this boy doing? What is this man doing? He is running. He is running. And next is rain. Rain. थोड़े दिनों पहले मोरबी में आई थी ना? 3 दिन तक बारिश हुई थी. Do you remember? Do you enjoy rain? I enjoy rain the most. It is my favorite season. Rainy season is my favorite season. Rain. And what is this, children? It is the colorful rainbow. 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 Students, today's our first classwork homework page will be page number 11 of your English Term 1 LKG worksheet. Page number 11, where we will first see the vocabs and match them with their respective beginning letters. Okay, so look at the board, children. Page number 11. The very first thing we will do is we will write the date, today's date, whichever date you are doing the classwork and homework. Next you will write is your classwork and homework. Now do you remember what I have always told you? You will do the classwork with me and homework with your mama. So let us start the page number 11. Our heading says, let's identify the sound of the given pictures and match each of them with their first letter. So to begin with, children, let us see the first picture. Our first picture is of a quill. What is a quill, children? आपने ये से quill देखा है कभी? Yes, quill is a feather of the bird. Birds के feather को हम quill बोलते हैं. So what do you hear when I say quill? Quack, quack, quill. I hear the sound of Q. Quack, Q, quack, quill. So I will match this picture to letter Q. Now our next picture. Our next picture is of rain, and I'm sure like me you also like the rainy season. So this is the picture of rain where rain is pouring from the clouds. This is the picture of rain. So what do you hear when I say rain? Rain. I hear the sound of rain. So I will match this picture to letter R. Our third picture, children, is of a queen. What do you hear when I say queen? I hear the sound of quack, 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 queen, quack, quack, queen. So I will match this picture to letter Q. I will match this picture to letter Q. Moving on to our next picture, children, is of a rhino. This picture is of a rhino. What do you hear, children, when I say rhino? Rhino. I hear the sound of R. So I will match this picture to letter R. And have you seen a rhino, children? Yes, you must have seen in the National Geographic channel or in your cartoons. What is rhino? Rhino is a wild animal. It stays in the jungle. Rhino is a wild animal. Okay. Moving on to the next picture is of a quilt. What is this picture, children? Of a quilt. You will have a better idea if you see your worksheet picture. This is a quilt. Quilt मतलब जो रजाई होती है, हम ठंड में रजाई ओढ़ते हैं ना? Yes, so this is the picture of a quilt. So what do you hear, children, when I say quilt? Quilt. I hear the sound of quack, 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 quilt. Quack, quack, quilt. So I will match this picture to letter Q. And our last picture, I'm sure all of you have seen this. This is the picture of a rocket. This is the picture of a rocket. Rocket कहाँ fly करता है? Land पे होता है? Water पे होता है? कि sky में होता है rocket? Yes, it is a vehicle which moves in air. So children, what do you hear when I say rocket? Rocket. I hear the sound of R. I hear the sound of R. Therefore, I will match this picture to letter R. So what we have done now, on page number 11, we have seen the various vocabs given to you, various pictures given to you, and you have matched them with the respective beginning letter. Moving on to the next part of our video, children, is on page number 11, the writing portion which you have to write with me. The classwork will be first line of letter Q and first line of letter R. Page number 11. Page number 11. Moving on, children, on page number 11, as we saw, we will write the first line of letter Q and first line of letter R, which will be your classwork. You will do your classwork along with me. So are you ready with page number 11, your pencil and eraser? Yes, we will start with letter Q. Now do you see in how many lines have we written capital letter Q? It is written from the red line to the blue line. From the red line to the blue line. So what will we do first, children? From the red line to the blue line, we will do a circle like O and a slant line. How will we write letter Q, children? From the red line to the blue line, we will make a circle and a slant line, a circle and a slant line. This is your capital letter Q. This is your capital letter Q. Now, how will we write small letter Q, children? from the blue line to the last red line. From the blue line to the last red line, we will first make a C, a small letter C. Okay? Next step will be a standing line. Next step will be a standing line from the blue line to the last red line, and then a small slant line. And a small slant line. How did we write Q? Let us repeat it again, children. From the blue line, in between the two blue lines, you will make a small letter C. You will give it a standing line, and you will end it up with a small slant line. This is your small letter Q. Capital letter Q, small letter Q. Next line, children. Are you all with me? मेरे साथ आपको finish करना है class work आपका. So, how will we start? From the red line to the blue line, we will give it a circle. Circle like O, and a slant line, and a slant line. This is your capital letter Q. Small letter Q, we will begin with the blue line to the red line. From the blue line to the last red line. So first we will put a small letter C. Small letter C. Okay? Next what will you do? A standing line. A standing line. And last we will finish it up with a slant line. Slant line. A small C, standing line, and a slant line. This will give you your capital and small letter Q. Moving on, last line में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Once again, a circle from the red line to the blue line, giving it a slant line. This is our capital letter Q. Small letter Q कैसे लिखेंगे हम बच्चों? From the in between the two blue lines, you will make a small C. Yes. Standing line, and to finish it up with a slant line. Small C, standing line, slant line. This was our first line of the written portion, letter Q. Now we will go to letter R, the first line of letter R. How will we write letter R, children? From the red line to the blue line, we will give it a standing line. A standing line from the red line to the blue line. A small curve, and then a slant line. This is your capital letter R. Let us repeat it again. From the red line to the blue line, you will give a standing line. उसके बाद हम एक छोटा सा कर्व करेंगे. मेरे साथ लिखोगे आप लोग. And a slant line. This will give us our capital letter R. R says R. R says R. Okay. Now our small letter R will be in between the two blue lines as usual. In between the two blue lines, you will give it a standing line. A standing line. Okay. And a small curve. And a small curve. Okay. Standing line in between the two blue lines and a small curve on top. Okay everyone, next line. Are you all ready? Have you finished this much along with me? Now we move on to the next line, children. Okay? Then from the red line to the blue line, standing line. Red line to the blue line, standing line. Yes, a half curve, a curve, and a slant line, and a slant line. This is your capital letter R. And small letter R, from in between the two blue lines, हम एक standing line करेंगे. And a small curve, छोटा सा curve यहाँ पे. A standing line and a curve, छोटा सा curve. Okay. Now let us go to the last line. From the red line to the blue line, standing line, छोटा सा curve, and a slant line. Standing line, छोटा सा curve, and a slant line. Okay. Now small letter R in between the two. Yes, two blue lines. Very good. We will do a standing line this was our page number 11 writing portion. Letter Q, letter R. Now before we start our next classwork and homework, children, let us do some breathing exercise. Join your hands, close your eyes. Now breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Stay quiet for some time. जैसे हमने पहले बोला था वैसे अच्छी बातें सोचना, अच्छा काम करना, बिल्कुल शांत अपने दिमाग को कर देना है. Open your eyes, children. Now, what did we do? In our first half, we learnt letter Q, we learnt letter R. What did we learn? We learnt letter Q. Q says quack. Q says quack, 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 queen, quack, quack, quarter, quack, quack, queen, quack, quack, quarter. Next was letter R. And what are the vocabs we learnt about letter R? And what is the sound of letter R? R says R. R says R. R, R, rock. R, R, rock. मैंने rock के बारे में आपको क्या बताया था? It is a big stone. Big stone. And what is this man doing, children? He is running. He is running. So R, R, run. R, R, run. Next is rain. R, R, rain. And the colorful rainbow. R, R, rainbow. R, R, rainbow. Moving on next, children, is letter S. Letter S. What do you hear when I say letter S? I hear the sound of S. S नहीं बोलना है आपको बोलना है snake, snake, snail, snail, stomp. Stomp मतलब हम जब अपने पैर को ऐसे पटकते हैं. This is called stomp. This is called stomp. Yes, this is snake. Snake. आपने snake देखा होगा. आप नेशनल ज्योग्राफी चैनल अगर आप KTV में देखोगे चिल्ड्रन, तो यू विल कम अक्रॉस मेनी एनिमल्स. आप तो वैसे तो आपने स्नेक नहीं देखा होगा, बट इफ यू ओपन द नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक चैनल या फिर कोई भी चैनल जिसमें अलग अलग टाइप के एनिमल्स दिखाते हैं, यू विल बी एबल टू सी ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स देयर. So which animal is this? This is a snake, and snakes are of different colors. This is a snail. This is also an animal. Snail is also an animal. It walks very slowly. It walks very slowly. Or this is the picture of stomp. This is the picture of stomp. जब आप किसी भी चीज की जिद करते हो मम्मा पापा के पास, तो आप ऐसे अपने पैर पटकते हो, स्टॉम्प करते हो ना, नहीं 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 मुझे ये चाहिए चाहिए चाहिए, ऐसा करते हो ना. So this is called stomp. What is this, children? Stomp. Next is sky. Next is sky. Sky. What is the color of sky in this picture, children? It is blue and it has clouds also. Sky में इस टाइम पे, अगर ये दिन के टाइम में अगर आप sky देखोगे, you will see it blue in color and you will see many clouds also. And where do the birds fly, children? They fly in the sky. Sky में उड़ते हैं. And during night time, as we saw in the N letter vocabs, night में भी हमको sky दिखाई देता है, which is dark, and we can see clouds, moon and stars. So this is the picture of sky. Sky. Socks. आप socks पहनते हो? Yes. Before you wear your shoes, you wear socks. Socks. Okay. And this is snow. This is snow. Snow कैसा होता है? ठंडा होता है. ठंडा. So this is our vocabs related to letter S. S says S. S says S. Moving on to our next alphabet, children, is our letter T. What is the sound T makes? T says T. T says T. Let us see the vocabs, children. What is this? This is a turtle. This is a turtle. Turtle कहाँ पे होता है पता है? टॉर्टोइज तो आप सबने देखा होगा, टॉर्टोइज लैंड पे रहता है, टर्टल पानी में होता है. हम टॉर्टोइज और टर्टल को एक नहीं बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज अ टर्टल, वो पानी में रहता है. What do you say? Turtle. What do you say? Turtle. And which number is this, children? Yes, it is number 2. Two. Turtle. And this is a tree. You should grow very many trees. Trees जो होते हैं वो हमारे एयर को क्या करते हैं? शुद्ध करते हैं, हेल्दी बनाते हैं हमें. तो इसीलिए you should plant many plants and trees. So which picture is this, children? This is the picture of a tree. 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 And what do you see on this tree, children? It is green in color. Its trunk is brown in color. And apples, which color are the apples? They are red in color. So this is the picture of a tree. Tree. So in our worksheet on page number 12, children, we have already done page number 11 where we did letter Q and letter R. Now moving on to our next page is page number 12, children, with letter S and T. Letter S and T in our English Term 1 LKG worksheet. On page number 12, children, what will we do? We will write the date, classwork and homework. Moving on, what will be our first part? To see the vocabs and to match them. Let's identify the sound of the given pictures and match each of them with their first letter. With their first letter. So this is page number 12, which we will see on the board. Page number 12, children. Be ready with your pencil eraser again. Page number 12. Let's see. To begin, we will see the first picture, which is of a squirrel. आप सब लोगों ने squirrel देखी है? Yes, I have seen it lot many times. Trees के आजू बाजू घूमती रहती है, फटाफट इधर से उधर होती रहती है. Squirrel is an animal and squirrel runs very fast. आप उसको easily पकड़ नहीं सकते हो. So this is the picture of a squirrel. What do you hear when I say squirrel? Squirrel. I hear the sound of S. So I will match this picture to letter S. Squirrel. Next is the picture of a tap. हम सबके घर में टैप होता है, किचन में टैप होता है, बाथरूम में होता है. This is the tap. टैप ओपन करते हैं तो पानी आता है, टैप क्लोज कर देते हैं तो पानी बंद हो जाता है. And remember, children, after you have used the tap, you should close it properly. We should not waste water. आपके मैम ने आपको सिखाया होगा, इवन मम्मी पापा भी बोलते होंगे. After you have used the tap, you should close it properly. टैप में अगर कोई लीकेज हो तो उसे भी हमें ठीक करवाना चाहिए. We should never waste water. So this is the picture of a tap. What do you hear when I say tap? Tap. I hear the sound of tap. Tap, tap, tap. So I will match this picture, children, to letter T. Tap, tap, tap. Next picture is of a snail. We saw this in our vocab also of the S letter. Snail. Snail बहुत ही धीरे चलता है और बहुत ही चिपचिपा होता है. This is the picture of a snail. What do you hear when I say snail? Snail. I hear the sound of S. Snail. So I will match this picture, children, to letter S. Our next picture is of a tree. What did I say? We should plant many trees and plants. So हमारे एयर को शुद्ध बनाते हैं so that we can stay healthy. So you have to plant a plant. Yes, आपको plant करना है tree या plant को. You can plant it during any festival. You can plant it during your birthday also. जितने trees हम उगाएंगे उतना हमारे health के लिए और air को वो purify करेगा. Health के लिए अच्छा होगा. So children, this is the picture of a tree. What do you hear when I say tree? Tree. I hear the sound of t, t, t. So I will match this picture to letter T. Next is of a spider. I'm sure you all must have seen spiders. वो हमारे घर के कोने में कभी-कभी वेब बनाते हैं. वेब उनका घर होता है. Spiders build web. What do they build? They build web. Web उनका घर होता है. Yes, and this is somewhat how a spider looks. It has 6 legs. It has 6 legs. So children, what do you hear when I say spider? Spider. Moving on to our last picture, children, is of a tent. Is of a tent. tent को हम हिंदी में तंबू बुलाते हैं. Yes, you can stay in the tent. जब आप कहीं वेकेशन में जाते हो ऐसी जगह पे, तो कई बार हमारे होटल में टेंट होते हैं. टेंट में हम रह भी सकते हैं. It is a movable house. इसे हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आसानी से ले जा सकते हैं. This is a type of house. This is a tent. Tent. What do you hear when I say tent? I hear the sound of t, 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 tent. So I will match this picture to letter T. So this was on page number 12, our matching of the vocabs to their respective alphabets. Our next part, children, is the writing part. On page number 12, we will start with writing the first letter of line of letter S, and second we will write the first line of letter T, that is page number 12, children, of our English Term 1 LKG worksheet. We will write the writing portion. Now look at the board, children. How will we write the small and the capital letter S and T? Page number 12, the writing portion you will write along with me, as I have always said. To start with, we will start from the red line to the blue line, capital letter S. पहले आपको एक छोटा सा कर्व करना है. Please write along with me. Small curve from the red line to the blue line and another curve. This is your letter, capital letter S. This is your capital letter S. क्या किया हमने पहले? हमने एक छोटा सा कर्व पहले किया. Then we join that curve downwards. This is your capital letter S. Similarly, we will write the small letter S in between the two blue lines. In between the two blue lines, we will make first a small curve and downwards. One small curve, another small curve going downwards. This is your capital and small letter S. Next line, children. पहले एक छोटा सा curve. Got it? And then another curve going downwards. This is your capital letter S. Capital letter S. And small letter S will be in between the two blue lines. In between the two blue lines. Got it, children? Are you all with me? Are you all right with me? You have to finish your classwork along with me. Moving on to the last line, children. From the red line to the blue line, we will make two curves. We will make two curves. This is your capital letter S and the small letter S in between the two blue lines. In between the two blue lines. This is your capital and small letter S. S sounds S. S sounds S. Moving on, we will write the first line of letter T. How will you write letter T? Starting from the red line to the blue line. First you will make a sleeping line. A sleeping line. And a standing line. A sleeping line. And a standing line. This is your capital letter T. Capital letter T. Now small letter T. आपने दादाजी की छड़ी देखी थी? हमने एक सीधी दादाजी की छड़ी की थी. फिर एक उल्टी दादाजी की छड़ी की थी. Yes, the same way. Starting from the red line to the blue line. उल्टी दादाजी की छड़ी बनाएंगे हम. Okay, like this. And then a sleeping line on the blue line. What is this? This is your small letter T. How will we write it? पहले एक standing line करेंगे और फिर एक छोटा सा curve कर देंगे. And to finish with, you will draw a sleeping line. This is your small letter T. Capital letter T, small letter T. T says T. T says T. Again we will write the same thing. Starting from the red line, a sleeping line, children. Please draw along with me. Please write along with me. A sleeping line and a standing line. A sleeping line and a standing line. This should be between your red and blue line. First red line to the blue line. Small letter T. दादाजी की उल्टी छड़ी करनी है आपको. A standing line and a small curve. A standing line and a small curve. And a sleeping line and a sleeping line. This is your small letter T. line will be sleeping line. On the red line, a sleeping line and a standing line and a standing line. Okay, फिर दादाजी की उल्टी छड़ी हम बनाएंगे. Standing line and a small curve. Standing line and a small curve and finish it off with a sleeping line. So this will give us our capital and small letter T. Okay, this is your page number 12. Small and capital letter T. Sorry. So today we learned the alphabets. Q says Q, R says R, S says S, and T says T. So we learned these 4 alphabets today. Hope you have enjoyed the class today. Do your work properly. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Namaskar.